Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience. We're talking about the Gotham Steel Hammered Frying Pan Set, a 3-piece collection featuring 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch non-stick copper fry pans. This set aims to deliver durability, incredible non-stick performance, and effortless cleanup. Let's break down what this Gotham Steel set brings to the table. First off, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the pans in the box. This set includes an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch skillet. The description mentions a 9.5-inch and 12-inch pan for a 2-piece set, but our specific model here is the 3-piece with the 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes. These sizes are incredibly versatile. The 8-inch is perfect for single servings, like making a quick omelet or frying up an egg. The 10-inch is your workhorse, ideal for sautéing vegetables or cooking a couple of chicken breasts. And the 12-inch is your go-to for family meals, searing larger cuts of meat, or making a big batch of pancakes. Gotham Steel has been a prominent name in the non-stick cookware world for a while now, boasting millions of happy customers. Their claim to fame is the Ti-Cerama coating, which they say is infused with diamond-like particles. This new 2021 iteration boasts improvements across the board, including a better non-stick coating, handles that stay cool, a more robust exterior finish, and enhanced durability. They specifically mention that infusing diamond particles into the surface prevents scratching, which is a huge concern for many non-stick pan users. The core of any non-stick pan is its cooking surface, and Gotham Steel emphasizes their ultimate ceramic non-stick. They state the coating is applied 3 times and reinforced with diamonds for superior food release. The key benefit here, as they highlight, is that you don't need to season the pan or use any oil or butter. This translates to healthier eating and, of course, incredibly easy cleanup. We're talking about a simple 1-2-3 process for washing. Speaking of health and safety, Gotham Steel is very clear that their Ti-Cerama coating is free from PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant point for consumers who are increasingly concerned about the materials their food comes into contact with. Knowing that the pan is free from these potentially harmful chemicals provides peace of mind during every cooking session. Durability is another major selling point. The infusion of synthetic diamonds into the coating is designed to make these pans incredibly tough. They claim that the pans are durable enough to handle metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks, and even electric beaters. If this holds true, it would be a game changer for many home cooks who are used to being very careful with their non-stick cookware. The promise is years of consistent, non-stick performance. Let's talk about cleanup. We've already touched on the effortless 1-2-3 cleanup with no oil or butter needed. But the real convenience comes with the fact that these pans are dishwasher safe. After you've finished your culinary creation, you can simply pop them into the dishwasher. This significantly cuts down on post-meal chores, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your food or relaxing. In terms of functionality, these pans are designed to be stovetop and oven safe, and importantly, they are compatible with all stovetops, including induction. This broad compatibility makes them a practical choice for almost any kitchen setup. Furthermore, the aluminum composition and the spiralized bottom design are engineered for even heat distribution. This means no more hot spots or dead zones on your cooking surface, leading to more consistent and predictable cooking results. Gotham Steel also backs this cookware with a 10-year limited guarantee. This suggests a strong confidence in the product's longevity and performance. A decade-long warranty is a substantial commitment and provides a good level of assurance for your investment. Now, let's consider the pros and cons of this Gotham Steel Hammered Frying Pan Set. On the positive side, the non-stick performance is consistently praised, especially with the diamond infusion claim for added durability. The PFOA-free, non-toxic materials are a significant health advantage. The versatility in pan sizes and their suitability for various cooking methods, from searing to sautéing, is a big plus. The dishwasher-safe feature and compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, offer excellent convenience and broad usability. The 10-year guarantee also adds considerable value and peace of mind. However, there are potential drawbacks to consider. While the diamond infusion is touted for scratch resistance, some users of non-stick cookware, regardless of claims, still prefer to use silicone or wooden utensils to be extra cautious. The long-term effectiveness of any non-stick coating, even with diamond reinforcement, can vary depending on usage and care. Also, while the exterior finish is improved, the hammered copper look, while aesthetically pleasing to some, might not be to everyone's taste. The description mentions improvements to the stay-cool handles, but it's always worth noting that in very high heat situations, handles can still get warm. In conclusion, the Gotham Steel hammered frying pan set, with its 3 versatile sizes, promises a compelling combination of non-stick ease, healthy cooking, and robust durability. The emphasis on diamond infusion for scratch resistance and the PFOA-free materials are strong selling points for today's health-conscious and convenience-seeking home cooks. If you're looking for a set that can handle everyday cooking tasks with minimal fuss and easy cleanup, this Gotham Steel set is definitely worth considering. It appears to be a well-rounded option that aims to deliver on its promises of performance and longevity. Link in the description.